Good afternoon, 9th class. How are you all? In last video, we have discussed about 1 to 6 questions of exercise 2.5. So now we are going to discuss today, that is question number 7 and 8. So let's start without wasting our time. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. We have to evaluate these questions or these parts with the help of suitable identities, which we have discussed in the starting of that chapter. Okay, so here you have given 3 parts. 99 cube. Second part 102 cube. 998 cube. The right way to solve it is known that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, as you all know that. Number first and number second identity is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, now with the help of these two identities we can solve parts. First one is 99 cube, so we can write it as 100 minus 1 cube. 100 minus 1 means it gives you 99 and cube of these two numbers. So the formula we have to use this formula, second identity. Okay, negative. So here the value of a is equal to 100 and the value of b is equal to 1. Okay, now the formula is a cube. What is the value of a? 100 cube minus b cube minus 3. What is the value of a? 100. What is the value of b? 1 into a minus b. The value of a is 100 minus 1. Okay, now solve these. When we cube the 100 or we multiply 100 3 times, then we will get this number. Okay, 10 lakh minus 1 minus 3 into 100, 300. 100 minus 1, 99. Then 10 lakh minus 1 minus, we have to multiply. You can just multiply. Okay, then you have to solve this. So you will get with the answer or you can minus it. Minus 290, 297 and 0 and 1. बिकॉज यहाँ से हमने क्या किया हुआ है, इनको ऐड कर लिया. माइनस एंड माइनस क्या हो जाएंगे आपके? प्लस हो जाएंगे. देन यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्ट 1 लिख दिया. ओके, सो वी हैव टू माइनस. 10 minus 1 is give you 9 and 9 and 9 and 9 0. By subtracting 2 from 9 we get 7 and 9. Now this is your right answer. Okay, now second part, we have given 102 cube and we have to factorize 100 plus 2 cube because we have to use this identity. So put first given number in the form of identity. So here the value of a is equal to 100 and the value of b is equal to 2. So use first identity to solve this question. A plus b whole cube, then a cube plus b cube plus 3a. The value of a is 100 and the value of b is 2 into 100 plus 2 according to given formula. By solving we get 10 lakh and plus 8, okay, plus 3. When we multiply 3 with 100, then 300, and then 300 to the 600 into 100 plus 2, 102. By solving plus you can multiply 6 to the 12, 600, okay, then 612 and with 2 zeros is equal to, we have to add now these two numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 61,208 802,160 this, and now we will get with this number 10,61,208. So students, you can try third question also. Students, now move to the next question, that is question number 8. Factorize each of the following, and I'm going to discuss only two parts and the remaining parts you have to try, okay. So first part is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, and second part is this, okay. So solution, you have to start like this. It is known that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. When we open bracket at that identity, we will get with this formula, okay. You can also write it as this form. So let's start first part, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, okay. And now we have to factorize it, or you can write it as 2a raised to power cube, because when we open this bracket and we multiply 2 3 times, then we will get with 8a cube plus b cube as it is, plus we have to factorize this 12 factor. Like formula, we have to take 3 common, and now a square into b, the value of b is b. I will explain it, 2a into b square. Students, a cube plus b cube plus 3a, the value of a is 2a, okay. And by solving this, 2 to the 4, a into 3, 4th is a 12a square, okay, and into b plus 3 as it is formula में है आपको, and then 2a 6ab, then the value of a is 2a, okay, and b square. So from this we have proved that this identity, okay. And now the left hand side is 2a plus b cube, okay. Now second part, this one, and we have to use second identity, this one, 8a cube minus b cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. By using this identity, 2a cube, okay, when we multiply 2a into 3, or when we multiply 2a 3 times, then we will get with 8a cube minus b cube minus, we have to put 3 common according to formula, then the value of a is 2a and square b plus, we have to took 3 common, 2a into b square. From this, the value of a is 2a and the value of b is b, and hence fruit, okay. So thank you students. Next जो वीडियो आएगी उसमें हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे आपके 9th एंड 10th पार्ट. ओके, थैंक यू.